Hi everyone, Jayma Malmy here, and I'm going to show you the latest Craft with Heart scrapbooking subscription for the next 4 months. This is for January, February, March, April 2020, and I have not even peeked in this yet. I am seeing it for the first time with you. I just opened up the size so I could open it. So I do the annual subscription, which means I pay up front and I get the whole year, and you get 4 months at a time, so 3 shipments throughout the year. And because I do it that way, I get 30 free prints from Persnickety Prints, and they have done a great job on the prints that I've ordered, so I get that code. And then you get this really cute 5x7 like word art every month. This one's super cute. Never give up on the things that make you smile. So I have these displayed in my craft room. I grabbed some of the other ones that I've gotten just so you can see, oops, that's not one of them. So you can see kind of the assortment that we've gotten. And each one is based on one of the paper packs. And so this is based on one of the paper packs. And it's super cute. I love the bright colors and the splatter look. I've been doing that a lot lately with the black splatters. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. I'm gonna get the box out of the way. It always comes in this really cute box, so the first impression is really awesome too. Okay, so January is based on the Spruced Up layout kit, the Spruced Up paper collection. This is based on, I forget what it's called, but it's the other like more birthday floral themed one that's in the January, February catalog. And now I have not seen any of the March or April paper kits yet because that catalog is not yet released, but you get a sneak peek when you get the subscription kit. So this looks more of like a heritage, vintage looking set. And then this one looks more summery with those Hawaiian flowers and really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up so you can see what you get in each kit. A lot of times the kits, the scrapbooking kits, have a very different look from the actual paper collection. So you get the 3 memory protectors in there. I'm not gonna pull those out since they didn't come out with everything. Let's take a look at the layouts. So each month makes 2 2-page layouts. So you get 4 pages, and here is a peek at those. So these are really cute. They're, you've got the trees from the Spruced Up collection, but this is a very different look than the actual Spruced Up collection for the paper kit. So you get the photo placeholders, which I typically don't use. I like to put my photos on them. You get stickers. So all of these are stickers to add to the layout. So it looks like this. These backgrounds are actually stickers. They're not die-cut paper. And then we've got the pre-cut paper here. Here's another pre-cut paper. Looks like postcards. So let's see. Oh, that's going to be right here. So you have a photo, and then journaling. So that's cute how they did that. These are the die cuts. So these are going to be, you pop them out and they're different shapes, or it looks like this is going to be frames, various things that you'll pop out, and it clearly tells you, this is what I love, lay out 2 die cuts, lay out 1 die cuts, so and then there's this divider line, so you're not guessing what pieces you're going to use on which layout. And then you get the base pages for each layout. So here we go. You've got a lot pre-printed on the base. Plus, look at that lovely wood grain pattern on the whole background. But there's lots printed on the base pages, and then you layer more, and so it ends up looking really nice and layered. And then I like to change my pages up just a little bit from how they were intended, embellish a little more. Sometimes I reorient the photos, add more photos. So stay tuned for layouts from me showing you how to change this up to fit your needs. So there we go. Like at first glance, I think this is really pretty, but it's a little bit too much green going on in the background. So I'd probably, when I do this layout, I'm going to try to do a little bit more in the background, add a little more interest, maybe some splatters, definitely some sparkle and gems because that's just how I roll. And when I do this layout, so we'll see when I get to that what happens. Okay, so we'll set this aside and we will pull out February. Okay, super cute. This is my kind of paper and color. I love bright colors. I know not everybody likes a lot of bright colors, but I really do. And so these I just really love. I love that there's a lot of photos on here. I might try to sneak another photo or two. I like to add a lot of photos on my pages. This one, also a lot more room for photos. Let's see, I was wondering, okay, so these are stickers. So I was wondering if it's actually printed on the page or if they're stickers, but these are stickers. So you can kind of change where this title is going to go and add more pictures if you want. But there are lots of photo spots over here. So that is awesome. I really like these pages. So let's take a look at all that's included. These are the stickers, so layout 1 and layout 2. I really like when they add these journaling strips as stickers because they're so easy to write on and just stick to your page. I wish that I had a whole page of just journaling stickers. I would use those. It's so much easier. I know it's easy to cut strips of white paper and journal on them, and I do that, but these are just so easy and handy, so I love it when they include that. There are the die cuts, so these will all pop out, and this one has stars in it too, so you can actually use these stars. I'm not sure if they, let's see. Yep, they have you use a few. Looks like there's one here, or no, maybe those are the stickers. So anyway, save these stars because you can use those either on these projects or other projects, definitely. Okay, and then you get all of these papers to go on the layouts, and then here are the base pages. So this one goes like this, kind of runs off the page here. You could always change it to go like this. Well, not like that unless you cover up here, but yeah, you can always change up, rotate the pages that you get as well. And then here is the other one. So, you know, you could move this around. You'll have to pay attention to the splatters they have in the corners. So if you're gonna change this so that this is on the bottom, you might wanna do this. So, yeah, there's the base pages for those layouts. Or you could just keep it as it was designed because they're really lovely as well. Okay, I love this subscription because I view it as my bonus scrapbooking. It's so easy to put them together with everything pre-cut, everything together as a kit, and I just add a little extra embellishments or change some photos around. It's really photos and scrapbook layouts that I wouldn't have normally gotten done. I love doing scrapbooking just on my own, figuring out my own patterns or using our other Workshop Your Way kits that have more techniques involved and stuff like that. But these just are so easy, and I love that it's just really extra bonus scrapbooking that you can get done with these. So here are the stickers. This is definitely a more nostalgic, vintage looking set. So beautiful. Look at that paper clip on there. This is the paper that's pre-cut. I didn't show you the layouts. Okay, so yeah, here's the layouts. Beautiful. So if you are someone who loves neutrals, has some vintage scrapbooking to do, maybe some heritage scrapbooking, this will definitely be your ticket. And it's so versatile with what you can use. You could change your colors to be black and white or sepia, even if they're not already. Even if you don't have heritage scrapbooking to do. Really pretty. Okay, so here are the die cuts. There we go. I really don't have heritage photos, heritage scrapbooking to do, so this will be a fun challenge to see how to use this outside the box. I'm already having some ideas. Love these doilies. Really pretty. So yeah, maybe some elements like you might not use this. I might not use the pocket watch, but use some of the other elements so it's not quite as heritage-y. This one, it's got lovely flowers and the little wheat stalks, and you can use different types of photos with that. Maybe add a little color with it. So a lot that you can do with these. So I'll be showing you some ideas down the road. Okay, and now on to April. I'm excited to see this because this is definitely more my colors. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so here are the layouts. Love all of the fruity. Oh, and I recognize these people. These are some of my close to my heart friends. That's fun to see them in there. So fun, bright photos in there. This is for April, so getting into summer. So we've got some bright summery colors. Here's the stickers. Here are the pre-cut papers, the die cuts. I like that these are, it's bright colors, but it's a little muted. So it's really bright and cheery, but not overly bright. Oh, look how pretty this is. This is so cool. A lot of different textural looks going on. So this looks like it's torn. This looks like it's brush strokes, watercolor brush strokes. So lots of fun textures going on for this one. And then this one, lots of different layers going on. This actually goes like this. So yeah, lots you can do. It has you put the photos right on here. You could double mat it, put it on another cardstock mat, and then put it on here so it's double matted with more dimension. So much you can do to add more dimension to these. They're great as is to get lots of scrapbooking done, but they are really a great base to add more embellishing to and really make them your own as well, and still come together faster than doing it all on your own. So those are the upcoming Craft with Heart layouts. So if you're interested in more information, I will leave a link below for you to check out. You can get this monthly, you can get it every 4 months, or you can do the annual subscription, which is you still get it every 4 months, but you pay all at once. If you would like to see what I create with these kits, then please subscribe to my channel and you can hit that little bell so that you don't miss anything that I post. Have a great day.